We will do unboxing with this. Okay, let's open this. What's in the box? Yay, yay, yay. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
He's excited. This is his gift from me. Early Christmas present.
That's right. Christmas
Yay.
present.
I'm excited also. Hopefully he's happy with my gift. So, put it in. Open it. Big kayang gift, oh. Spoiled kaayo. Very spoiled. So, that's inside the box. Oh.
Look, armrest.
Oh, yay. Ano ni siya? Yan ang i-assemble karon. So,
That's the most important thing there. Directions.
Yeah, direction.
Get that out. Take it.
Yes. Oh, is that
Back
a
part.
back part?
Maybe.
Okay.
Oh, nice, comfortable, soft.
Wow, it's
oh.
big. It's wide and it's soft.
And it has a footrest too. See?
Yeah. So, iya ilisan ihang small na chair. Oh. And one more bag. Step one is what?
Put all the wheels on.
Okay.
The wheels. These.
So, muna na iyang gibuhat karon. You just gonna press it?
Yep.
That's good.
Oh, that's
Yay!
good. Smooth riding.
Yep, what's next?
Yep, that's in
Okay.
here.
So that's the next.
Yep, that's it.
So this will be the next, I guess. Yeah, nice screw there is pikas. Pero there is pikas wala. Ang saan na ganito butang?
But that's no problem with me.
That's for the armrest. There's all the screw there. It's going to put the armrest now.
I like it. Yeah, like
The
that.
other side. Now we're putting this screw here.
Okay, these fit.
That's
Wonder what
it.
these
So,
rub-
mo ni siya dire. So, we're using this one now. Good thing they have this one, right? Let's
Yeah.
just try it.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
But it makes sense.
Yeah. So, let's try to put that on.
I can't see it. That's it.
Oh, that's it. Ta-da! Oh. Muna ni siya. Putting that one now.
See? Screws go there.
Okay.
Like
There
that.
you go.
Then I figured out which screws go where. It's
There you
already
go.
right there.
Yeah. This is it now, almost. Gonna put siya sa pikas na side. This one for the back, they have also screw separately. Oh, there you go.
Sized.
How much is this one?
2,000 pesos.
2,000 pesos for this chair. Our small one is expensive than this one. So that's the one there to cover it.
Yep. So the one swing it.
There you go.
There.
Okay.
Pops right in.
For this one.
Uh-huh. And it's all went together pretty easy too.
It's quick and easy.
Yeah.
How do you do that?
Huh.
Can you repeat it?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. You can adjust it.
Okay.
So how is it now?
It's good. Look, I'll rest it back like this.
Oh, that's good.
And then, if I want,
Yeah. Oh, perfect.
oh,
Wow. Can you move a little bit? Oh, that's
Oh,
nice.
yeah.
You're comfortable with it, right?
Happy.
He's snoring now.
Mm.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, see, then this here, you just fold it down.
Yeah.
Whoop. Put
And
it
then
up.
just relax.
Yeah,
So that's what are you adjusting there?
the back.
Ah, the back.
I go all the way back here like this.
Oh, that's great. Okay, now.
Where's the thing at? Oh. I could be up like
Mhm.
this. I could be down. Mm.
So,
And I can just relax a little bit.
while you're in the meeting.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a nice one. So, are you happy with your Christmas present
Yes.
from me?
Yes, I'm very happy with this.
Yay! My baby is happy.
Yeah.
So, thank you guys for watching our video for our unboxing. Bye!